Dr. Daisy's Checkup Day. When we feel sick, we go to see a doctor. But sometimes we visit the doctor even when we feel great. This is for a special visit called a checkup. A checkup is when the doctor makes sure we are healthy and strong. It's like a health adventure. Dr. Daisy is ready to begin. First, Dr. Daisy looks at your eyes with a small light. She wants to see how your eyes sparkle and react to the light. Then, she looks in your ears and your throat. She asks you to open your mouth wide and say, "Ah!" This helps her see inside. Next, Dr. Daisy uses her stethoscope to listen to your heart. It makes a special sound, thump thump, thump thump. While she listens to your heart, she also listens to your breathing. She wants to hear the soft whoosh of air as you breathe in and out. Dr. Daisy checks your blood pressure with a special cuff that gives your arm a gentle hug. It feels like a little squeeze. Now for the fun part. Dr. Daisy uses a little hammer to gently tap your knee. This tests your reflexes and makes your leg kick all by itself. Sometimes, the doctor gives you a quick pinch with a needle. This is called a vaccination, and it's a superhero shield that keeps you from getting sick. Checkups with Dr. Daisy are important. They help us stay healthy so we can run, play, and have fun every day.